What we do is we make rope. We make all kinds of different ropes, from tree climbing to National Deo buoy. We do different kinds. We will make a special rope for any customer. So Yale is just there to do whatever is needed to be done.
We do a lot of marine for boats, ships, turn your power back on, TVA, all that.
We got to take quality on top of everything, because a lot of lives depend on everything that we do.
Don't think of it as you're just making a rope. I like to tell people that we're making high performance cordage. So the type of ropes that we make, they need to be of the highest quality. It's not like a rope that you would find in like a hardware store like Lowe's or Tractor Supply. The type of customers that we sell to, they're using these ropes for very high performance needs.
So the management style is they look for free thinking, but we also work collaboratively as groups. And we are also very interdepartmental, so each department, manufacturing works with engineering, which works with HR. Everybody is very together.
I work with all the employees. I will get out there hands-on with the employees. I like that style of management. I believe that the employees learn more when the management works beside them.
Our boss man's really good, he takes care of us. It's small, it's more connecting, so I mean, any problems you have, you can talk to them about it, and they'll get it done, get it right.
You come in and they put you along beside somebody until you feel comfortable to be able to work on your own. As long as you show the effort into wanting to learn that machine or the place they put you in, you'll learn, because they teach you the right ways. And if they can't teach you, they give you somebody that will teach you.
Yeah, I've been here almost 5 years, and almost every day I'm still learning something new. So you just have to be willing to learn and put yourself out there. Everybody that usually comes in, they're very interested, because it's one of those things like how it's made. You know, you don't realize all the types of things that go into making rope. So it's a very unique skill to learn.
There's plenty of room for growth here. I feel like the company itself wants, everyone to grow with them. So they do what they, the best they can to make sure that as they're winning, we win too. They don't leave us behind. And that's one thing that I like is if they take a step forward, they make sure that we're right behind them to proceed.
A lot of it is just learning a lot of different things instead of just learning one department and getting comfortable with it. Learning a lot of different departments, so then that way you can grow and know more.
There is opportunities. I know for people on the floor, I've seen them move from normal floor employees. They have just team leader positions, they have supervisor positions, and opportunities for me is I'm in the engineering, but I can also do manufacturing.
The company is already growing right now. I would like it to grow 50% more.
There's looking at a lot of investment in equipment and growth. Specifically our site, we're looking at hopefully within 5 years to double our capacities here.
I like everything about Yale Cordage. I like the way that Yale Cordage treats the people. They always make sure that all of their employees are first, no matter what. It's really flexible, especially the ones that have children. They're able to go to meet their school needs, and they're able to come back and keep working.
We're almost like family, so like everybody knows each other, so it kind of doesn't even feel like a job. You're comfortable here, and you can be yourself.
You're never alone. Here, everybody cares for one another. People just here help everybody out, which is nice.